Hello, my name's Nanny Kim, and today I'm going to show you how to do a button on your Jaguar sewing machine. The first thing we need to do is look at the programs. We want program number 84 today, so you can see it down here. Now to program that in, we use the plus and minus buttons here. So we're going to put AC on this side, and then number 4 on that side. And this decides on the width of the stitch. So we're going to set it at 45, but if we needed to change that, we could use the other arrows underneath. So going across to the machine, you're going to turn the machine round, and you can see this raises and lowers the plate. So we want the plate lowered for this activity, so we are going to press it across like so. So it lowers the plate down. Okay, and I'm going to turn the machine back again. And now we're ready to put our fabric and button underneath. Okay, so I've got my piece of fabric and my button, and I'm now going to line that up underneath a press foot. So I'm gauging where the holes are, and using the wheel on the side of the machine, I'm just gently lowering the needle to see if it's in the right position, which it is. So I'm going to then press the start button like so, and sew 10 times across the button. This is such a fantastic option on this machine, and the button comes out so secure. It's brilliant. So here we go, finish that. Lift up the back, pull it out, and there you go. There you have the button. Nice and secure. You can give it a good tug, it's not going to go anywhere. Thank you for watching my demonstration.